They're coming up on this corner right now.
The opposite side to us. Bulldog side. Okay, we're going to start at Arkenfell. Arkenfell's target.
Easy, okay.
Area KD going out. Pop him down. Push in, push in, push in. Okay, it switches to Nemesis. Nemesis? No, not Nemesis. Octis.
I got a heal cut on him. He's hurt.
Push in, push in.
We're Katie. Spray, spray. Everybody spray, 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 spray,
Spray,
spray.
spray. Remenzi needs heals.
Alright, we're good, we're good, we're good.
Octis, Octis.
Toughen on tell.
He's dropping. He's like fucking millimeter of health. There we go. Down. Far quad.
I got you, I got you.
I'm playing a bit aggressive here. Push forward, push into them. Get a couple of men down. Okay, I'm going to switch to Onyxia. Onyxia's out of position. Knocked. Heel cut. Push, 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 push. Dead. Okay, Nemesis. Nemesis low. Push Nemesis. Nemesis is lining. Far quad.
Good damage, good damage.
Rotating the other way. Far quad's out of position. Far quad's down. Skivvy. Skivvy. Actually, Roost.
I got
Roost
everything.
low.
My name is-
Spray, spray, spray.
Oh,
Okay, Opera's.
He's almost dead. He's dead.
Skivvy's nice one. Octis is low.
good close.
Octis is down. Arkenfell. Down. To get some death blows out. Collector.
Oh, we got to stand fast. I don't know why I did that. Good shit, good shit, good shit.
Good stuff, guys.
Let's get back to our corner.
At the start of the fight, I'm just throwing all my fucking CM debuffs on Skivvy, and then we can give it some time to work.
Yeah, that's good shit.
Will you let me know when you started up, and then we can call a switch. I can then pop Dread Strike on him. We can
Good
switch.
deal.
I'm spamming back to corruption on him. I'm trying to keep him lit up with that.
Yeah, and right away throwing the mind one on him is a big help.
Oh yeah.
So basically, my tactic is like about 8 to 10 seconds on somebody that's a bit weaker, and try and thin them out a little bit, and then switch if they don't go down. Once everything's up on Skivvy, switch to Skivvy.
Placing a trap early, get it on cooldown. Nice cooldown.
They're rolling up, they're rolling up.
Clear wounds. And that, and then this upper side.
So they're going upstairs or into the building.
Yeah, they're upstairs. That's fine. I like that for us, because we have like short range people like pistols and shit. So I'm cool with upstairs.
I have retreat. 40 seconds out on charge.
Okay. They're sitting at the top.
Farquaad's target. AOA Farquaad. You can see. I'm going to area KD. I'm going to push into them now.
Plus they're out.
Push in. Go upstairs. Might be a really bad idea, but we'll find out in a minute. Stay on Farquaad. Take him down if you can. Okay, I'm going to switch to Nemesis. Switching to Roost. Spray.
I'm Katie. Care.
Spray. Pull back to the corner.
Good cloak. Very good cloak. Folks have been
Switching
on
to
point.
Skivvy. Red strikes up on Skivvy.
They're in the net.
I'm feigned, I'm chilling.
Skivvy's going drop in. Skivvy's dropping. Skivvy's down. Right, they're fucked. Spray, spray, spray. Everybody spray. Optis. AoE off them. Nemesis, the drops. Collector. Actually, Nixia's closest.
Knocked it.
Give us armor if you can, maybe. Armor, double time something.
Got it.
Right, is it? Okay, proper stopping shot. Roost. Okay, split. Half go one way, half go the other way.
I got a charge going up.
Okay.
They're trying to run downstairs. Wait till we're together. Wait till we're together.
Okay, Optis.
We're at the bottom of the steps, fellas, just so you all know. Because that's split.
Skivvy.
Next hit. Roosk on in-cap stick.
Skivvy's down. Okay, switch Roost. Okay, Roost pop shields. That's back to Skivvy. Red strike's going up.
Big cluster out.
You got a cloak, this is a good time for you to cloak me.
Tyrani's heals.
Got it.
Tyrani's
Good
heals.
cloak, very good cloak.
Skivvy's low. Skivvy's low. Skivvy's dropping. Okay, Skivvy's down. Arkenfell. Farquad. Then Nemesis after Farquad. Is knocked. Pushing. Then Collector. Good job.
Good shot, fellas.
Optis is back up. Right, group back up. And clear wounds. And
Damn. Big rev on top, dude. Pistols, holy.
Hell yeah, dude.
We're doing a good job, W King. So, and following Papa's target.
here they come.
Yeah, good stuff. Good shot calling too.
Yes, good stuff.
It's a little bit random. Thanks. Okay, we are going to be on Farquad start. Oh, well, sorry, on Optis. Optis. Oh, I'm getting fucked.
Tough one on Papa.
Popping shields.
Yeah, good.
Spray, spray.
Health on Tell.
Stay on Optis. Spray, spray.
30.
Optis is down. Nemesis, Nemesis. These shields are dropping any sec. Then Skivvy.
Stop the shot at this one.
Skivvy's got heal cut. They're dropping, they're all fucked. Arkenfell, then Collector. Gee, that was a fast wipe.
While they were stupid, they let me get right in and stand on top of them.
Yeah.
Not normally a place that you want to jug.
Well, we can try that again. I've got area KD, so we'll just W them and KD and see what happens. Pins, what does that mean?
Oh, if you want your double tokies.
Oh yeah, I use mine if I lose.
Yeah.
I play so few battle grids.
We haven't won
Here they
yet.
come. Octus. Okay, here we go, pushing in. Area KD
Oh,
going
good
out.
heel cut. Very good heel cut there.
Farquad. Farquad dropping.
I'm KD. Care.
Hill terrain.
I'm good. I'm good.
They're gonna swap skivvy.
Top on top.
Oh, never mind. Oh,
I stealth him.
very good cloak.
Skivvy's mine's almost out. He's getting fucked. Switch to Nixia. Nixia's gonna drop. Nixia's dropped. Nixia's sick.
I'm feigned right now. Don't worry about me.
Nixia's gonna drop.
Skivvy is out of mine.
Just give me
Yeah, he's ignore him then for now. Trying to finish off Nixia. No, he's lined. Okay, switch skivvy. Okay. Ignore
Rook
Ruse.
in a trap.
He's got shields up, ignore him. Switch to Nixia. Nemesis. Farquad. KDM. KD Nixia. Octus.
Collectors in the building.
Yeah, I'll leave him.
Cleaned up shop.
We've got a pretty good spread on DPS if you look at both the teams.
Minutes left.
Yeah. What is it? Well, that's how that's how a lot of how I do.
Skivvy's in us.
Oh shit. Yeah.
Knock him.
They're on us.
Chase Skivvy, keep going, follow Skivvy, and then we'll deal with separate friend team. How the fuck is he staying up?
That's wild.
Keep moving around if he does. Right, we're going to swap off onto Arkenfeld now.
Clusters out in the middle.
Farquad. Nemesis. Roost. Octus. Turn around, get it away. Back on Skivvy. Dead flex up. Okay, Collector.
I'm actually surprised how much of a wash this game is, because literally, you know how a big part of how I balance teams is roles, but a lot of it is like I'll like look at exports and I'll try to match people that are doing similar damage. So like you see on the team sheet like Arkenfeld with Jackie Knight, Nemesis with Deputy, Octus with Einsamar, Yidi with Loban, Rook with Dog. Like I'm trying to like match people that do similar damage, you know what I mean? And then like roles.
But you took their, so Locke was their kind of backup healer, so no one else was really pressing the heals on their team, but they have started now. So Farquad and Collector are pressing sprays, but before it was only Locke,
Yeah, that's true.
which is quite big, and I was pressing lots before. I didn't do it. I have to do that only this time.
Yeah. Damn. What a dude, Rev. What the heck, dude? That look at the diff.
Damn that damage.
Go take your
Yeah,
long
I don't know why they didn't focus me. That was weird. Or maybe your heals were just OP. I don't know.